Let's take a look at the internal structure of the Beelink SER9 MAX. First, remove the fur rubber pads on the bottom and remove the screws. Open the bottom case. Remove the dust filter. This is a key component that combines dust prevention and heat dissipation functions. Remove the DDR5 memory modules. They are core components affecting the computer's read and write speeds. Next, remove the heatsink. Its main function is to reduce the SSD's operating temperature. Remove the SSD. This is the computer's core storage device. Remove the Wi-Fi network card and antenna. Wi-Fi 6 offers lower latency, faster speeds, and greater stability. Remove the expansion board. Remove the screws securing the motherboard. Remove the expansion board as well. Remove the entire motherboard from the casing. Then remove the fan from the motherboard. Its function is to quickly dissipate heat through active airflow circulation. Now, begin disassembling the entire motherboard. The large vapor chamber effectively distributes the CPU's heat across the entire surface. Then, the fan and metal fins expel the heat to the outside. The installation process is sped up.